SOF International English Olympiad, which was held on 26th September 2024 of Class 6, question paper set A, Word and Structure Knowledge. Section 1, Word and Structure Knowledge. For questions 1 to 18, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. First question answer is option C. Second question answer is option B. Third question answer is option A. Fourth question answer is option C. Fifth question answer is option C. Sixth question answer is option B. Seventh question answer is option B. Eighth question answer is option C. Ninth question answer is option C. 10th question answer is option B. 11th question answer is option D. 12th question answer is option C. 13th question answer is option C. 14th question answer is option B. 15th question answer is option C. 16th question answer is option C. 17th question answer is option A. 18th question answer is option A. 19th question answer is option B. 20th question answer is option D. 21st question answer is option C. 22nd question answer is option D. 23rd question answer is option D. 24th question answer is option C. 25th question answer is option D. 26th question answer is option B. 27th question answer is option A. 28th question answer is option C. 29th question answer is option B. 30th question answer is option A. Reading. 31st question answer is option C. 32nd question answer is option A. 33rd question answer is option D. 34th question answer is option A. 35th question answer is option C. 36 to 40 questions. 36th question answer is option C. 37th question answer is option B. 38th question answer is option C. 39th question answer is option C. 40th question answer is option A. 41 question answer is option B. 42nd question answer is option B. 43rd question answer is option A. 44th question answer is option C. 45th question answer is option D. 46th question answer is option B. 47th question answer is option A. 48th question answer is option C. 49th question answer is option A. 50th question answer is option C. So we are done with class 6 question paper set A of IEO, which was held on 26th September 2024. It will be very much useful those who are going to appear on November 8th 2024. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you children. Bye children.